This is Danny Ingrouville, Cambridge artist, wordsmith, and design professional. He is setting up for his very first sculptural installation, Terra Road. Terra Road will open at the Cambridge Center for the Arts on March 15th from 7 to 9 p.m. and will run through until April 18th with no Sunday showings.
You got to be in an environment that allows you that kind of brazenness, that wearing your heart on your sleeve and not feel threatened. So for a nervous kid from Toronto to come to Cambridge and to come into an institution like this Cambridge Centre for the Arts with the kindness of Sophie McCann and Wanda Schaefer and Gwen Stott, who was director before, it's amazing the sense of let's see what you can do. Here's a space. Go and do it. That's amazing. What an opportunity. And so now I've been given another new dream come true, my own gallery opening. So I can't say thank you enough to the city and the Center for the Arts.
Terra Road is an immersive sculptural installation. It is a wander through a man-made forest in which civilization parallels nature's design.
I guess what I'm created this for was to bring nature and man together, where man recognizes the greatness that he is, but where did it all come from? It came from nature. And you know, we're losing a little sense of our own humility with all our technology.
Ingrouville is a gifted artist, having received the Bernice Adams Award for the Performing Arts in the year 2000. And named Artist in Residence in 2013 by the Cambridge Center for the Arts.
What I also hope I get from putting the show on, Terra Road, is a doorway that might allow me to open into directions towards grants. A lot of this is built in small little spaces around my home, and I'd really like to, use a real studio space that I can afford to get out there and just use that space dedicated for me creating some artwork.
Danny feels that there is a certain aspect of excitement and possibility when seeing something handmade, understanding how it's made, and also how it works.
If you look back at the root of nature and how we came from natural beings and natural ways, and we still create in natural styles, and we still amalgamate in tribal and very group-like and animal settings, we realize we haven't really gone that far. Technology is just sort of separating us a little more, and this is just a reminder of our roots.
For Now Media Local News, I'm Cassetta Black.